Hello guys. So today I'm gonna I'm playing with the blue lights and he is the Roger. I'm just gonna help this guy. Uy! And nag-classic lang tayo sa rank game. Gets nyo? Kasi hindi ko gets eh. Yeah. And now let's focus because of blue light.
Make of it. The rules of engagement don't apply to me.
First blood.
Another day, another casualty. Deploying smoke.
You have slain
Time
an
for a
enemy.
field test.
Request backup.
Conquer your fear, and you might
An
live to
enemy
see
has
tomorrow.
been slain.
Their days are numbered.
You have been slain.
Mission compromised. I won't accept failure.
Tapitas ta kayo na Matilda kasi tsaka sumunod pa ang hanabi namin kasi pinipilit pa.
Only easy day was yesterday.
An enemy has been slain.
Deploying smoke.
Ally has been
So napitas nga natin dito yung core nila at may nagbabakbaka na doon. Yuki. I mean, blue light. May nagbakbakan na nga dito. Saan na kaya yung Mia? Saan na nagpadpad yun? Ay ni Mia, patay ka na. Huwag ka na mabubuhay sa muli pa. Ay naku. Tara, ipupush natin to. Kahit wala namang tao. Hinahabol tayo dito ng Layla. Layla, delay mo lang malakas, sabi niya. Tinry niya talaga tayo mahit, pero di lang daw talaga tayo matamaan. So, tara na. So, ito na nga guys. Mamasakin na natin to. Nasaan na muna Matilda para magkaroon muna tayo ng sponsor boy. Ang gawa. Bird. Bird. Ay, patay tayo mga bird. Ay, okay lang yan guys. Tignan natin si blue light. Nice blue light. Go.
Only cowards live forever. Reconfiguring loadout. Where I tread, initiating covert strike.
slain an enemy.
Another day, another casualty.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Pitas pa ako. Ay, tinitipingan tayo sa mukha. Okay, target lock Mia. Kasi kakawawain na kita.
I won't accept failure. To hunt in this concrete jungle, you need nerves of steel.
Mega kill. team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy.
Kill
Tapitas natin dito yung Layla. Pero parang masama ang paningin niya. Ay naku po, sayang ka naman.
Deploying
Unstoppable.
smoke. Target is in sight. Going dark.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has
Lagi na lang tayo dinidedma. Kaya ayun na si Chu para iligtas na. Yun nga lang, tinarget lang na naman ni Aldous. Yun nga, bakit kaya target? Panis! Kinawawa na ang Aldog. Parang ginawang stop toy na lang ni Chu. Kawawang idol.
Live forever. Initiating covert strike.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Backup plan? I am the backup plan.
Legendary. Initiate retreat. Okay.
The rules of engagement don't apply to me.
Slain an enemy.
A cruel but inevitable outcome.
Ginagawa nyo. Ano yun, Dodge? Takas ng takas si Chu. Ay, oh my god. Ay, inaano yun? Ikaw ba? Ikaw ba? Tun tun tun. Tun tun tun. Tun 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 tun.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
So ito nga guys. Tayo na natin to. Same energy kami.
Time for a field test.
So ano kay Kier? Naa. Mm, 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 mm.
Conquer your fear. You might live to see tomorrow. Going dark.
Sobrang sakit naman yan. Anong build mo? Ba't ganyan ka? Kala ka room ka. Ayan na, winasak na. Mag seconds, ayaw mag first kill na ano? Patay na, pinataba na ni... Kawawa naman to, si Roger. Parang gusto nung... Ayan, sabi ni Joe. Parang kinawawa na si Roger dito. Kailangan niya yata ng tulong. So mag-i-swap na daw kami. Nice.
Unstoppable. Monster kill.
Initiating covert strike.
Sobrang sakit na ng ano dito, Matilda. Kasi hindi pala yung naka-room item. Pang ano pala yung gamit niya. Pang mage. Kaya pala sobrang sakit. Tinitipi-tipiyan pa ako. Tinitipiyan pa yan kanina ng... Sayang naman to, Dodge.
Where I tread, death follows.
Shut down. Request backup.
Stand amongst the dead and ask them if honor matters.
Legendary. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Cruel
Legendary!
you'll never see.
Para muna, kunin muna natin blue bolt ito. Para wala na yung energy yan palagi. Yeah. Uy.
Shut down! An enemy has been slain! Initiate retreat! Request backup! Okay!
Deploying smoke.
Mega kill!
Another day, another casualty.
Shut down! Enemy double kill! An enemy has been slain!
So ayun nga guys. Napatay tayo. Yun nga lang. Napatay rin. Si ano.
Enemy
Live
has
forever.
been slain!
Don't dark.
An ally has been slain!
War is my trade.
An ally has
Death
been
is my
slain.
craft.
Ally has been slain.
Reconfiguring
Shut down.
loadout.
Killing spree!
Their days are numbered.
Slain
Strike.
an enemy! Attack!
Kill
Okay.
confirmed. Everyone has a plan until my blade is at their throat. My destiny is what I make of it.
Slain an enemy!
A cruel but inevitable outcome. The rules of engagement don't apply to me.
Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. Unstoppable! Double kill!
I'm the last thing you'll never see.
Killing spree!
Another day, another casualty.
Double kill!
Kill confirmed. Conquer your fear. You might live to see
Your team
tomorrow.
destroyed a turret! An ally has been slain.
Where I tread, death follows.
Unstoppable!
Another
Double
day,
kill!
another casualty.
Ally has been slain.
The Omidoni dart.
Monster kill!
Kill confirmed. War is my trade.
Shut down!
Mission compromised.
Naging hostile tayo dun guys. Kaya napatay tuloy tayo. Kawawa naman.
Initiate retreat!
Lalo Anong ginagawa ng Roger? Bakit ka pasok-pasok? Patay na si Joe. Patay na rin ba si... Okay, nabuhay pa si Ninjutsu Kaisen. Ninjutsu Kaisen. Tut tut turut tut 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 tut. Trat na ng Hanabi pero hindi na talaga kaya. O tingnan mo gagawin, magtitipi-tipi ka na. Mamaya ka lang sa akin, baka hindi ka na pahinga. Kawawa ka na, mamaya ka na.
Won't accept failure.
Our turret has been destroyed.
The Hunter.
Our turret is under attack.
Ayan na, naabutan na. Ayan na, patay ka na. Ayan na ang ginagawa ng Roger. Bakit ganyan ka na? Anong ginagawa ng Roger? Bakit pasok ng pasok? Ayan na, hindi na one hit na ba ito? Batang. Bakit napakawasak na ang Roger? Ang sakit talaga ng mga Roger. Hindi masakit Roger pero masakit kang kumbi. Puro babuhat. 1, 2, 10. Yan, bakit nandyan ka pa? Wala ka naman tulong. Ayan na ang tulong ng Hanabi. Ayan na, ayun, double kill na yun. Uy, warak. Warak na ka, patay. Yun nga lang, patay ka. Sa Hayabusan namin, o patay ka na. Kawawa ka naman sila. Tara na nga, guys. I'm getting bored. No, I'm just joking. Now, let's try our best.
Until my blade is at their throat. Initiating covert strike. Backup plan? I am the backup plan.
An ally has been slain.
You're on borrowed time.
An enemy has been slain.
Target is going dark.
Shut down. Double kill.
Enjoy your last breath.
Mega kill.
Covert strike.
O nga guys, nanalo na kami. Yun nga lang malakas ako kaysa Anando. So, nanalo kami guys. So, ano nangyari? Hindi tayo MVP. Kung naman tayo, hindi tayo MVP. Ayan na tayo. Okay, okay, na pala. Okay, bye-bye.